banana. Hey guys, I'm Naomi, I'm Paige.
I'm Savannah, and I have a lot of other names. Yes. This time it is 12:26 in the morning. It is. I mean, how would I know that? Stop microwave.
Oh my gosh, really? I love microwaves, oh my god. I'm a biggest fan of microwaves. Oh my gosh.
Like, like, I could just worship this thing.
I know.
Okay, anyway.
Okay. I have no smokes on my legs, look at that. I know, like, all this craziness.
Whee! Okay, anyway, cause hey guys, like my socks. Okay, so I know we're free.
Sexy,
you know,
sexy blue socks.
It's too bad I don't even need socks. Anyway, we're gonna do a little like spoofy thing of one missed call because.
Okay, you know what? She was scared of it. This is me the whole time.
What the fuck?
So
anyway,
you have to be there. You have to be there.
Anyway, so we're gonna do a little spoofy thing of it, you know, of the little twitchy girl and the zombie thing, yeah. So so I'm gonna
start.
I'm gonna take the camera and Paige is gonna do a little spoofy thing.
Okay.
Alright.
Sorry, anyway.
She's acting out the twitchy girl.
Okay, here's Savannah doing, I don't know, her
Wait, what do I do?
spoofy thing.
I'm so alright. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna get. I'm so hurt, and if you feel me, put your hands up, hurt. And I got these goats through my mouth, 'cause you know what I'm talking about. I'm about the hurt, and if you feel me, put your hands up.
Jeez. I think we're done here.
Okay. Anyway,
What's next?
alright, so now we are going to do a little our inside joke thing. So we're gonna like, yeah, you'll see. Alright, Paige, we're gonna like walk in, be like, stay. Okay, but can I do this? Yeah, after.
Staying alive, staying alive.
Staying alive, staying alive. Ow, ow, ow. Staying alive. Anyway, alright, so now this is Paige's thing, so yeah.
I'm acting as a zombie then.
Is it my kitchen sexy? Okay, anyway.